Need to switch carriers but keep your number? You'll need a number transfer PIN, also known as a port-out code. It's a 6-digit security code Spectrum Mobile provides to authorize the transfer of your phone number to a new carrier. This PIN is essential for preventing unauthorized number porting, safeguarding you from fraud. To get your PIN, contact Spectrum Mobile customer support at 1-833-226-3762 or use the live chat feature on their website or app. You will need to verify your identity by providing account details like the account holder's name, address, the last 4 digits of your SSN, and your billing zip code. Be prepared for potential biometric verification for added security. Once verified, Spectrum Mobile will send the PIN to your registered phone number or email. The PIN will expire within 7 to 14 days. Remember, never share your PIN with untrusted sources and be wary of scams. Be aware of rising porting-related fraud, as scammers might try to steal your number through SIM swapping. Spectrum Mobile is integrating AI-driven fraud detection to combat this. The FCC is also considering a unified porting PIN system by 2026 to standardize codes across carriers and reduce errors. After receiving your PIN, provide it to your new carrier to initiate the porting process. Make sure your Spectrum Mobile account has at least one active line to facilitate the transfer. Note that international porting might have extra steps. If you encounter delays in receiving your PIN, it may take 24 to 48 hours. Stay persistent and maintain secure communication with Spectrum. Once you receive your PIN, it's crucial to promptly give it to your new provider. Be extra cautious of any requests for this PIN, as it's possible you could be targeted in an impersonation scam.